Alright, so maybe I should make a better video sometime, which I guess I should do. But this video is not going to be a better video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some stuff that I ordered from HomeScienceTools.com. If you're unfamiliar with this website, you're probably not, because that's probably how you found your video. But if you are, it's a website that sells science equipment and stuff like that. I ordered some, well, it's not really glassware, it's some of this plasticware, stuff like that. Basic chemistry supplies, that kind of stuff. Not that I'm actually in the position to be doing that here at this apartment. Mika wouldn't want to see that, so that's why. But I ordered the stuff regardless, and let's unbox this. So this is actually the second unboxing in a row, so I'm filming this video basically pretty soon, or right after the Macintosh video of the Macintosh that I bought, the Macintosh Plus, but I'm probably not going to release this video until later. I'm sorry if you might have noticed my production quality has not been that good lately. That's because I'm in college once again. So once you unbox this is some, I believe I ordered a beaker, a graduated cylinder, a thermometer, and a flask, I think. It was pretty cheap, but win a gift certificate, woo. And a little bit of a catalog, I guess. It doesn't write my address. Oh yeah, it's a catalog. You get some free paper. More free paper. Oh, how generous. More free paper. Here, this is a thermometer. At least that's what I think it is. We'll get to what's actually in here. Oh, I think this is a beaker. And wow, this is really cold. It's pretty cold outside today, but this doesn't insulate at all. Well, yeah, there we go. It's a beaker. It goes up to 100 milliliters, so about a normal size beaker. Yeah. Fortunately, again, it's kind of weird because I'm taking a chemistry class right now, and I'm just like, oh, this. I see the stuff there. It's like, oh, that looks mucho kawaii, and I want to have one. But I mean, I do have one now, I guess, but can't really use it because that generate all kinds of suspicions. But I will have my mucho kawaii-ness regardless. Yes, it is a flask. Yes, it is a flask. It is also called 250 milliliters. The beaker is 100. Both of these are made out of borosilicate glass, which is the kind of stuff you use for glassware like this. Should have one more thing in here at least. Nice bit of paper and a cylinder. So you got some paper, a box, and this kind of stuff right here. Alright, so let's, I guess, get into this however much we can. So this is the thermometer. It has a plastic sheath on it, I guess. Yeah, right? That's what it is. This kind of part goes like this, I guess. Careful not to break it. Yeah, you can see it measures in degrees Celsius. There is no Fahrenheit, but whatever. Oh yeah, look, it's It's about 20. If I put my fingers on it, it should warm up. I mean, it's warming up. Yeah, it's warming up, definitely. It is warming. So the thermometer works. That's a good thing. Always gotta buy the stuff that works. And of course, we keep it in this protective casing just because it's glass, and glass can break. And that's not happy times right there. So here's the rest of the stuff. It's a 100 milliliter graduated cylinder. It's plastic, which normally you don't carry out chemical reactions in graduated cylinders unless you're a weirdo, but this is what it is. It's a cylinder. You also have a flask. I have another one of these at home somewhere, and you get a beaker, so yeah. I can't actually demonstrate me doing anything with these. I mean, I guess we could fill them up with water, but why would you want to see that? So you might see me actually do something with these in the future. I don't know. I just kind of wanted to have them, and now I do. This is all the kind of weird stuff you wanted as a child. I could just have it right now. I could have that. That's basically the whole point, I guess. It's like, I want to have chemistry glassware. Haha, I can order it. Now I have it. I wanted to have a Macintosh computer for no reason. Haha, now I could have it. I wanted to have a styrofoam head for no reason. Haha, now I can have it. But you know what I can't have? I can't have true love now, can I, Miku? Answer my question, Miku. Oh no, yes. Oh no. Okay. Okay, you can't. Oh no, yes you can. I'm sorry, this video's over now. Say goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, you sound like a frog.